look at what circuits are and how we can sketch them with a couple of basic components. We'll also explore the terms potential variance, current, and resistance, before finally seeing which direction a circuit current moves. An electrical circuit is a simply closed loop that contains a power source, such as a cell, and something for the electrons to pass through, like this wire.
We typically represent them with circuit diagrams, and this here is probably the simplest type of circuit you will see. To draw more intricate circuits, we need to know about these symbols for the various components and where to position them. There's a whole host of symbols that you'll need to know, and I'll cover them all in more detail in the other videos. For now, we'll consider the main ones. We've already seen a symbol for a cell, which is essentially just a simplified version of a battery.
Filament lamp is for the filament lamp, which is essentially a small light bulb. So if we added one to our circuit and turned on the battery, then it would illuminate.
So add a switch, which could be closed, allowing current to continue flowing around the circuit, or open, which would disrupt our circuit and thus turn off our light. To explain what's going on, we need to look at some key terms. Specifically, potential difference, current, and resistance, denoted by the letter I, is a measure of the movement of electrons around the circuit, similar to the movement of water through a pipe. And it's measured in amperes, which are often simply called amps, and are denoted with the letter A. Current.
Meanwhile, potential difference, denoted by V, is the force driving this movement of electrons, and it's provided by the cell or battery. You can think this as the pump that pushes the water along the pipe. Another term of potential difference is voltage. It's measured in volts.
Now, because electrons are negatively charged, they move around the circuit from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. However, when people initially discovered electricity, they didn't know anything about this. So they determined that current flows from positive to negative, and we now follow this convention, sometimes referring to it as conventional current. Even though it's a bit strange, just remember that for your exams, current always flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. That's everything for today, though. So hope you found it helpful.